we got Panini Football Blaster Box. Blast exclusive, looks for the Bravery parallels, numbered to 199. 8 cards per pack, 11 packs per box. Find one autograph or memorabilia card. So we're gonna sell that. Open up. Also find a rare predictor card for a chance to win an exclusive set of Panini trading cards. So let's see if we got a thick. Jacob, what would you rather have, like a jersey card or an autograph?
I would rather have.
I think it depends who it comes from. Anything thicker?
I don't see it. I don't see anything thicker.
That looks thicker right here. Taking that one out.
Alright.
Alright, look at that one. Should we just like switch off? I do a pack, you do a pack, or? Alright. First pack. Yo, if we put like an auto in the first pack.
I'll be sick.
Nothing
Hey
thick.
guys, we told you we would give you a box. Here you go.
And then the next box is gonna be a baseball box. Wait.
Show us the cards.
Oh, we got something. Wait, we got something. I'm just gonna look. Yo!
Let's see it.
Moritz Boehringer, the German guy. What's this called? I think, is this like a Bravery one or something? Is it numbered?
Not numbered.
Oh, we'll try to find the name of that and tell you guys in the next video. Alright, and then Vernon Butler rookie card. Alright, so nice. First pack, we're going. Antonio Gates. Matthew Stafford.
Ben Watson.
What is this?
Ben Watson.
Oh, Ben Watson. It said signed. I thought it was like an
Oh,
autograph on
David
the back.
Johnson.
Base cards don't matter. So
That's true.
Andrew Luck, Anthony Barr. So like we only get this, but this is awesome. This card.
That card is
That's
pretty
sick.
sick.
So we'll try to find out what that's called for next
Hold
video.
on.
Do you want me? Alright, let's just wait. Sorry, technical difficulties. Hey Jacob, should we say something like if we get to like 100 subscribers or something, or like 50 subscribers, we do a face reveal? Like we show our faces.
I already showed your face in one.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll show you your face.
Remember when you were ripping up the A-Rod one?
Yeah. I'll show you your face. If we get to 50 subscribers, you get to see Jacob's face.
Alright.
Alright, so pack 2. Already on the board with the bow ringer.
I want to open. Dude, you have to show.
Here, I'll open it.
Alright.
Nothing thick.
Here we go.
Here. If you see a backwards card, just put it to the back.
Are you showing it?
Well, you have it pretty high up. Don't do, just rip it open. I used to have a. I think we had. I thought we had a backwards card.
Okay.
Should we?
got
Should we?
Duke
Turn it
Johnson,
around.
Martellus Bennett, Kenny Britt, a sick Malcolm Smith.
Let me see that. That's a base card.
Let's see. Hold on.
Let me see the back. Can't tell. That doesn't look like a base card. Let's just keep it to the side in case.
Alright. We got Rashad Jones, Justin Houston,
What is that?
Legends of the Shield, Joe Theismann.
Wait, Joe Theismann. Nice.
And then we got rookie card William Jackson III.
Okay. Alright. Next pack, third pack. How many packs are there? 11? Nothing thick. Anything backwards? No. Oh wait, yes. There's something backwards. Should I turn it or wait?
Wait.
Chris Long, Kirk Cousins, Danny Woodhead, Teddy Bridgewater. I like the Viking cards. The purple looks cool. Eddie Lacy, Kirkpatrick, and rookie card, and that card is cool. So like that's like a rainbow foil with like gold lettering. That's nice. That's a nice card. So on the board here, I think this might be. Oh wait, no. Is it just? I think the Raiders just look like that, so I don't think that's an insert. It's just, nice. The cards are ready.
Okay, next pack.
Open it down. Look at the side.
No, nothing thick.
Anything backwards?
Yes, we got something backwards.
Let's just flip it, man.
No, I'm gonna wait. All right. Darren McFadden.
Wait.
Golden Tate.
Oh, that's nice. That matches like the die cut of him we have.
Justin Forsett. Tyler Eifert. Von Miller. Tavon Austin.
Backwards is
Sheldon Ronkins.
rookie card. So you get a lot better stuff out of here than you do in the single packs.
Yeah. And then we got our other rookie.
Calhoun.
Right.
It would be nice based on how good he's been doing lately. A Khalil Mack card. That'd be nice. Khalil Mack's he went to my mom's college. So. This pack feels a little bit thick. They make these Panini packs hard to open. There we go. No, nothing thick.
Anything backwards? Yes.
Yes. Oh, we got some.
Don't flip it.
Mohamed Sanu. Kelvin
Gordon.
Tom Brady. Torrey Smith. Jordan Matthews. Paul Flushmitz. Travis Penny. Combine Champions. It's probably not that good of a card, but it just looks cool. Oh, it's number 1 in the set. That's nice. It's not that good of a card. It looks pretty cool. That guy ends up being an amazing player.
This pack feels a little
Should we
thick.
give these away?
No one's gonna want them.
Oh, okay. See the side. No, nothing.
There's something though.
Let me see it.
No. All right. Josh Harlan.
Norman.
Josh
Oh, there
Norman,
is something in there.
Emmanuel Sanders.
Thomas.
Demarcus Ware. Randall Cobb. Jordan Reed. Lamar Miller.
Turn it.
Paul Polwitzki. We got him once. This time he's gold.
Wait, we have him?
And then we got
Paxton
Lynch.
Rookie. Alright, just leave him there. Alright, ready? Next pack. That one opens easily. Nothing on the sides. Anything backwards? Yeah, I got something backwards. I think it's a Von Miller card. Vic Beasley Jr., Joe Hayden, Cecil Shorts III, Jonathan Stewart, Demarius Thomas, Larry Fitzgerald, Von Miller, baby!
What a sick card.
Von Miller. Let's go. Braxton Miller. So the two Millers. Nice. Alright, so we still have our memorabilia card to go. Except it would suck if we get one of the boxes because it says on average. So it would suck if we got one of the boxes that's below average.
Yeah. Let me just. Alright.
Yeah, just shred them.
Got the next pack.
I think that one has a jersey.
Man, Theo, you were right to make these Panini packs really hard to open.
At least they don't shred like upper deck packs. Those things make the worst noise.
Alright, we got a backwards card. 2 backwards. No, wait, never mind. Check it out this way. We do have a backward. No, we don't.
Just
Never
do
mind.
just like.
Alright, we have Kamar Aikman, Matt Ryan, Jeremy Langford.
Dude, move your thumb. Move the cards down. I'm like, I can't see.